Before we start, this next clip is fully AI animated using Nano Banana Pro. Watch how realistic this gets.
Nano Banana Pro gives you full control, 4K quality, flawless text, and consistent characters from multiple references. Ready? Let's start generating.
Google just released Nano Banana Pro and is powered by Gemini 3. And now with simple prompts, you can transform any image into any style you want. Okay, let's do something crazy to start off with. We're going to take a simple one-bedroom floor plan, literally just a black and white blueprint, and we're going to turn this into a realistic apartment using Nano Banana Pro. And this shows us exactly how far AI has come. Okay, so this is the reference image. This is the blueprint of the one-bedroom apartment. I'm going to go ahead and put my prompt in here, and then I'm going to click on the generate. So here's where we're starting. Just a simple one-bedroom floor plan. No color, no furniture. Literally just a basic outline of the space, which you can see on the right hand side of the screen. And now look at this. Nano Banana Pro takes that flat blueprint and turns it into a fully realistic apartment interior. It's the same layout, but now it looks like an actual home. And honestly, this could be a complete game changer for estate agents, architects, and anyone working with properties. Imagine showing buyers what a space could look like, even before it's built or even furnished. No expensive staging, no CGI teams, just a quick prompt and you've got a full visual of the space. This completely changes the way you present and sell properties. Alright, listen, if you ever wanted to create a studio quality product photos using AI, this right here is the secret. Nano Banana Pro has a feature that absolutely smokes every other AI model in the game, and that's the 14 image reference upload. This is what gives you perfect product consistency every single time. And I'm talking real brand level accuracy, where the AI doesn't just guess your product, it learns it, every curve, every screw, every reflection, every tiny detail. Okay, so here's the magic. These are the 12 reference shots I'm going to be uploading into Nano Banana Pro, and they're going to be from different angles, macro details, case back, the strap, even the packaging, basically the whole watch from every view. And this is the cheat code. When you give Nano Banana Pro this level of detail, it learns the product better than the person who actually built it. This is why brands are going to lose their minds over this feature, because once Nano Banana Pro understands your product, you get perfect consistency in every render. And today we're going to be putting it to the test with one of the sexiest watches ever made. So let's get going and load these in, and now watch what Nano Banana does with them. Okay, moment of truth. Nano Banana Pro has just seen all the 12 reference shots which I had uploaded. It's looked at every angle, every screw, and every reflection. So the question here is, can it actually recreate this watch accurately? And let's see what it's made. And look at this. This isn't just close. This looks like an actual luxury product. Look at the material, it's perfect. The gold tone is perfect. Look at the screws, the open work gears, even the reflections on the bezel itself. Nano Banana hasn't just copied this watch. It's copied it exactly, but presented it like a high-end hero shot. This is absolutely amazing in terms of what it can actually do and how it can take that product to another level. Okay, so here's now what we're testing next in Nano Banana Pro. I've taken a simple neutral image of a woman, jeans t-shirt, plain background, nothing fancy. And now I'm going to upload a set of reference images. I'm going to have a summer dress, a summer hat, a pair of sunglasses, and also a watch. And we're going to see if Nano Banana can take all of those items and accurately apply them to the same woman. I'm also going to be changing the background to a sandy beach. And the goal here is simple. Can Nano Banana Pro transform the original image into a totally new look? Same identity, same proportions, but with a completely new clothing and a brand new beach background. This is the real test of Nano Banana's reference fusion ability. If this works, you'll see the exact outfit I uploaded placed naturally on the same woman with perfect consistency. So let's run this and see what Nano Banana can do. Alright, so this is the original image on the left hand side of the woman with jeans and t-shirt standing on a neutral background. And you can see the image on the right is what's just been generated. So it's the same woman. The background has now changed to a sandy beach, which is what I asked for, which is great. It's got the dress that I asked for. She's wearing the watch on her left arm. She's got the Christian Dior hat on, and she's wearing the Ray-Ban sunglasses, which is exactly what I asked for in my prompt. So this is absolutely awesome in terms of how it's able to generate this image using the reference images that I uploaded, and it has kept that consistency. Nano Banana is not just nuts, it's absolutely crazy. Okay, now for the next test. What we're going to do now is to see how well Nano Banana Pro understands real-world GPS coordinates. So I'm not going to give it any images, no landmarks, and nothing to guide it at all. I'm just going to give it a pair of coordinates. And the coordinates I'm using are the exact location of the Big Ben in central London. Okay, so the goal is simple. Can Nano Banana Pro look at those numbers and rebuild the environment the way it actually looks in real life? In this test, Nano Banana should be able to generate a realistic scene of Big Ben and the surrounding areas purely from the coordinates alone. No prompts, no references, just real world accuracy. And let's see how well it actually does. So let me go ahead and generate this prompt and see what it generates for us. And voila! And it's given me an image of the Big Ben and the surrounding areas. Now I'm going to go test this now in Google just to make sure that the coordinates are correct and we're not just generating a random image. Okay, I'm going to go now test the coordinates in Google. So I'm just going to copy these here. Press enter. Okay, and that's where it is. There's Big Ben, which is brilliant. So it's done exactly what it's asked to do. It's taken the coordinates and it's actually given me an image of the Big Ben and the surrounding areas. So if I just click on that, this is absolutely amazing, isn't it? It really is. And as you can see, that's where it is. And if I click on the street view, and I can see this is central London, that's the River Thames. And if I keep scrolling, there's a House of Parliament and there's the Big Ben. So Nano Banana basically took the coordinates and it then generated an image on the surrounding area or where that coordinate is located. In this instance, it's the Big Ben. Absolutely amazing. It's just mind-blowing. Okay, for this test, we're going to be taking things up a level now. We're going to see if Nano Banana Pro can combine multiple different references into one clean, realistic scene. By that, what I mean is I've got three inputs. I have a woman in the summer dress, I have a man from a completely different photo, and I have a reference image of a shopping mall. The challenge here is quite simple. Can Nano Banana take these two separate people with different backgrounds and different poses and place them naturally together inside the mall environment? This is the ultimate consistency test. 2 identities, 3 references, 1 final image. Let's see how Nano Banana Pro handles it. Wow, look at this. These two people were never in the same photo. They were in different backgrounds, different lighting, totally different images. And Nano Banana Pro just dropped them into a shopping mall like it's nothing. It's got perfect lighting, perfect shadows, perfect reflections on the floor. It looks completely legit. It looks like a real photo. There's no blur and no weird edges. It's just clean. This is absolutely crazy. 2 separate images and 1 realistic shot. Nano Banana Pro is literally on another level.
So, I guess we're shopping today?
Yeah, apparently Nano Banana put us here.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do hit the subscribe button and the like button and do share this video, and I will see you on the next one.